from Keheng battery. I want to show you our 12-volt battery today. Here, and our brand name, website, email address, and certification and some warning tips are printed on the surface. They are both sealed and safe to use in your vehicles. And they are built and tested to withstand vibrations, so they can be applied to some outdoor activities like driving a camping car or even using them on boat. Let's see its configuration. It's made of 4 cells in series. These red lines connect to the positive electrode and these black lines connect to the negative electrode. And these lines connect to the LED display. The BMS functions to ensure that each of the cells is getting the same amount of charge. They are balanced. They are within safe operating temperatures. Here is a chip on the BMS. It can send out the battery status to your mobile phone by Bluetooth. Here you can check the SOC voltage, capacity, status, health, and cycle life. Next page, you can check the working voltage, working current, and working temperature. When the temperature is under 0 degrees, the status here will show low temperature. Once the temperature reaches 10 degrees, the status here will show standby. Cycle life is one most customers' concern. If you use this battery from 100% down to the 0%, you can get 3,000 cycles. What else you can do to extend the life of battery and avoid charging it all the way to 100%. Even 99% make a difference. If you need more information about our batteries, please stay with us and follow us. See you next time.